doing an unboxing video again because I hadn't done one for a while, and as from the title, I've upgraded my phone. I thought I'd treat myself. So in today's video, I just basically obviously, as you can see from the like my training videos and stuff, now we're using the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I like because I've not had an iPhone before. So when someone at work said, "Oh, do you fancy buying my iPhone?" Like, I was thinking like, "Hey, I've not had an iPhone. I wonder what they like." And yeah, they do alright. They're probably one of the most common phones in the world. So just before I get into the unboxing, it's not like the new iPhone 17 or all that. I just thought I'd do a video because I think they're expensive now, your phones, you know. Some phones, like, you get a cheap car with that. Yeah, so I got a little Amazon haul just to do like a little unboxing video. So I hope you enjoy. Just on a little side note, I've got 223 subscribers now, so I'm like slowly on the up. I'm rising up. Like, I mean, like this time next year, like Delboy always said, this time next year I'll be a millionaire. Obviously, I won't obviously be a millionaire, but you never know. I might be on 1,000 subscribers, which is my target. Just have a quick sip of brew. It's not a latte, right? But right, so I'll save the best one till last. So let's have a look. So obviously you know it's a phone. So I bought. Let me just get into these. Because it's a new phone, what I've done is, when I bought the phone, the iPhone 13 one, because it's an OLED screen, they are very durable, but obviously it still scratches. So obviously if it were in my pocket, like when I work at work, when it were in my pocket, so that's that one. Right, let me just open this one. Let's get it open here. Let's get it open. Let's see what we got. Put that all there. So we got another little box. Just bear with me a second. Hello, I'm back. I just needed a bit of knife. I didn't want to do it on camera in case I like slice my finger off. So this is not really like relevant to obviously but I bought one of these. It's called a Lacy, and it's a 2 terabyte hard drive, and they're very like rugged and durable. And I think it's, you know, like a good design. Like you know your little connector. That's obviously like, it's all tucked outside. It's a good idea, that. Yeah, so I thought I'd treat myself and just get, because you can never have too much storage. See, all that fits along that little slit where it's open, and it like sits there. And you've got your normal USB input. You know, I think it's like a USB 3 what will go into there. But it's like a brick. You know what I mean? If you were like on the go filming and like drop that down a cliff, it'd easily survive. I mean, look how thick it is. Yeah, so that's not really right. I just thought I'd treat. Cause I always like obviously extra storage and stuff. Right, so I've bought. It's premium tempered glass screen protector, because let me just get rid of this. Just 1 minute. Let's go and get my knife. Right, let me just open this bit so I can get in it. See, it's a bit fiddly, you see, with these bits. Right, so you get a little cloth as well. You get a little cloth with it. Well, you get like quite a few. There's some instructions and stuff. So you just get some little. So what are these? Oh, that's actually a protector for your camera. That's quite a decent idea, that. Just got some instructions. You've got another little. Let's have a look. You also get another one for your camera. So you get 2 camera protectors, and then let me just. Yeah, so some screen protectors. Right, I'll just put them to one side. The next one, God, they love these tape, don't they? So I've gone. I'm only going to use this while I'm at work, but I've gone just to protect it at work and that, because I can't always keep it in my pocket because iPhones are quite bulky, aren't they? You know, the big screen and stuff. So what I've done is I bought it's a toe call or to call. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's just one of their cases, but it's like magnetic. You can get a bit. Has it got a bit on the back? I presume that's when you buy these like magnetic kits, you get like a little round circle to like put on, because you can actually get obviously I'm filming off my gimbal, but you can get these like tripods and phone holders what are like magnetic, and then you put them on there, and then you can hold your phone, and then you can, like I'm doing now, you can obviously do videos, and you can have them in car as well. They're even like wireless charging as well. So that's that, and now it's the big reveal of what I bought. Let's have a look. So how do you get in this here? So these are all off, obviously, Amazon. And this one, I paid a little bit extra. It's actually, it's a renewed. It's a renewed product. So you get your SIM pin. I've gone for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Look at that beast. And it's the deep purple one. Let me just take this tag off. Yeah, I've gone for the deep purple one. So you'll obviously need like setting up and stuff, but you get your charging cable, Oh shit, well, oh, you get your SIM pin. Bloody hell, I've taped it to the table now. 1 minute, bear with me, bear with me. So you get your little SIM pin. You don't get a box. I thought you might have got a box, you know, a proper iPhone box, but obviously I didn't know what. Obviously, so you don't actually get. So obviously you get that. I have got one of them. Luckily, I have got the, you know, the socket what goes into your plug to charge it. So I have got that. But yeah, looks a really nice phone. So yeah, I've gone for that one. The iPhone 14 Pro Max. So like in the future, I mean the screen is perfect. Like the body, it's basically new. I mean, there's no marks on that at all. So obviously what I'm going to do is, my plan is just going to, because like the iPhone I've got now is it has got like a crack in it, and you know your port for your charging that don't work, so I have to use wireless charging. Because luckily someone at work said, so I'm thinking like, shit, how am I going to charge it? Because connectors in port, it's flipping not having none of it like. So he says, oh, I bought one of them wireless chargers, and I bought one off Amazon, and I don't know if anyone watching has ever used one of them wireless chargers or ever heard of one, but basically all it is like, I've got like a power socket for what I use in my bedroom, and then obviously it's got 2 USB inputs on it, and then basically all it is it's like a round disc, and then like that but a little bit bigger, and then all it does is you plug it in on your USB lead, put it like, obviously because it's like a flat little surface like on this little disc, and then you just place your phone on it, and it just charges it wirelessly. I don't know how the hell it does it. It just, the only thing you've got to look out for is like some of the like different models, like your iPhones and Androids, they are like a little bit different, so you have to read like the description. But as long as you get the right one, so yeah, I mean, it's not obviously the 17, but I thought I'd treat this, and I mean it does look really good condition. I don't know if you can see on camera, but the actual screen. This was my main worry, because it's renewed. I didn't want to buy it and it'd be like 4 scratches, but it looks perfect. And I mean the body, it's perfect. So in my future videos, obviously mainly train videos, I'll be using this beast to like get some snaps. So yeah, just a little unboxing video. Just, it's no super special, but so yeah, just got like obviously a case for it, the screen protectors, because I want to keep it. I mean, what I'm gonna do is like, obviously when I'm at work, I'm gonna use the case, and then I'm gonna put like these screen protectors on. I think you only get 2. I thought you got 4. Let me just no, I think you only get 2. I thought it said 4. See, it's impossible. It says just impossible to make scratches. It's got optical silicone adhesive, optical PET coating, tempered glass material, nanoplate coating. The latest generation glass membrane premium 9H hardness tempered glass protector. Surface hardest 9, I don't know what that obviously means. Anti-shatter film. Advanced silicone adhesion. That's a word a day, isn't it? So yeah. Oh yeah, sorry, it says it here. 2. So you get 2. So you get 2 screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors. So yeah, that's my little Amazon haul. Obviously I haven't done an unboxing video since my PS5 Pro unboxing. So I need to transfer all my stuff now and get this set up. But yeah, I mean, to say it's renewed, it's like, you can't fault that. I know obviously they're expensive, aren't they, phones nowadays, but yeah, I mean, it looks perfect to me. So yeah, I'm going to set all this up, get my SIM card in, because it's unlocked to obviously any network. So because I actually was panicking, because when I bought it, I was more bothered about what it does, and I didn't check to make sure it was unlocked. And luckily, after I bought it, I went back on, and it is unlocked to any carrier. So I was like, thank God for that. I know that's the first thing you should probably check, but obviously I was more bothered about the phone and like obviously what it does, because like obviously I've gone from like an iPhone 13 to like 14, so I'm gonna like, because of how expensive they are, I'm not exactly loaded, so obviously I'll move up. Like once I've had this for a while, when the iPhone 15 have gone down a bit, I'll get the 15 and so on, because obviously I always had Android phones for years. Back from when they first started doing Android phones, when it were Sony Ericsson and stuff like that, and I don't think I had any Nokia ones, but I think I had a Motorola one, but now I've gone to iPhone, I can't fault them really. I mean, like when I go on my train journeys through Trainline, through the app, it automatically knows and fills it on calendar automatically. I mean, I don't know if I presume Android phones do that as well, but I just thought that was quite cool. So yeah, I hope you obviously enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Obviously, I've got future train videos planned, so there is obviously going to be more. There is going to be one coming soon, and then obviously in future. So I do want to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. But yeah, thank you to everyone who has subscribed again. I mean, it's amazing. So obviously, I thank you to everyone. Thank you to everyone who's put comments on my videos. It's nice to get a bit of like feedback and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much covered everything. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, it went on super exciting, but obviously everyone likes an unboxing video. So yeah. So please like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.